when I cut it. What's up guys, welcome with Pre. It's your girl with another video. Okay, so I'm looking at you guys this way, but my vanity is this way. So when I start doing my hair, I'm gonna be doing this way. I felt like giving you guys something different before I go back into the apartment hunting. And what I decided to do is give myself a silk press. Okay. That's never been the best idea. Wait, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and come over to Everything Tish. The last time I gave myself, no, I wanted to cut my hair off 2 years ago, like just take it off, let me go bald. And then I ended up getting this wig. And I was like, oh, she looks good. She looks good. But no one here in Dallas could cut my hair. So I ended up going to Press Roots in Plano. I remember posting that vlog here as well. Here it is. And I asked to have my hair cut. She said that she couldn't do it, like not that short, okay? She was not that kind of bruh, but she was a silk press bruh. So she gave me a silk press. I had my ends cut, whatever. A few months ago, I got annoyed with my hair and I was like, oh, why do I have 4C thick hair, but the density is not there? I'm tired of it. Just cut it off. And maybe if I cut it all off, then from the roots being thick, all of it will be thick, right? I hate seeing through my hair whenever it's in certain styles, but whatever, hey. I grew up seeing my family fighting for their edges. Hello, somebody. I'm just glad I got mine. I've done a great job maintaining my hair, but I did take some scissors to it, and I was just like, and from the video, from the last time I went and got my hair cut and what it looks like, my hair was a little bit longer than that when before I cut it off a few months back. I don't know, did I cut it off? I feel like I cut it off 6 months ago now, and I had cut it right here, and now it grew back. So I'm trying to see if I need a trim, and if I do, I'm cutting it after doing this silk press. But I also saw these, I saw this girl on TikTok, and first of all, you know I'm in Texas, so we're gonna also see if this silk press is gonna stand the heat here in Texas. I'm going to California next week, so I can do my silk press for that week, whatever. Whenever it frizzes up, then that's just that. But I went and bought the Lotta Body coconut. I went and got the Lotta Body Seek Me. Wait a second, get it together. Take two. I went and got the Lotta Body Sleek Me Blowout lotion, because that's what the girl said. She said don't try to replace this with another blowout lotion. This is the one that works for her, and if you're gonna try it this exact way. I already have my, is it She? Oh, this is what the Lotta Body looks like. This is the one. And then I have I've had this She whatever silk infusion oil for a while, but I went and got this Wow Dream Coat from Ulta, because these are the two things, well, these are the three things she recommended, but I already had this one. So both of these came from, no, this came from the hair store and this came from Ulta. So we're gonna follow the process. I've already washed my hair, shampooed. I did a protein treatment because I'm sure I needed it. It's been a couple years. I have low porosity hair as well. So I have a dryer, so I typically go underneath that to have the hair, whatever I'm putting in my hair, penetrate my roots and penetrate the shackles, whatever you call them, my hair shafts, whatever, so that it can get the moisture and not just sit on top of my hair. I didn't put leave-in conditioner because the point is to have my hair be light. Yeah. So this is what it looks like, okay? I promise you, when I cut my hair, I just cut it. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. I didn't care. So we're gonna blow it out in section, but I'm also looking at her video. So the first part is gonna be this Wild Dream Coat. My hair is still supposed to be damp, so I do have water in here to, and then spray this on. You're gonna want to do enough of this, right? Because we're trying to get this sleek look. And this is what that looks like from the back. I've already drenched the piece up here. First of all, let's do a length check before I promise you, I had cut my hair up here a few months back because I wanted it to be even. So this is where it's at now, okay? Before it was at the bra strap. We're starting with the wow. We're gonna put a generous amount in here because we don't want it to frizz up. This is what's gonna stop it from frizzing. Now we're gonna go in with the Lot of Body blowout lotion only. You can't really see it, but one thing I hate about these brushes is the fact that they're falling out when I'm blow drying my hair. Oh, I hate it so much. That is so annoying. All right, so now that it's all blown out, it's now 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. by the way. I'm now gonna put that Silk Infusion chai chew whatever on each section and blow it again because you don't want it to be too heavy. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this, like a drop on each section. That's it. And then we'll go to flat ironing. Ooh, it's giving thick, right? It's giving body. It's giving body. Not too much.
Wow, say.
Rapunzel. It's so crazy because my density is not a lot, but when my hair is blown out, like, look at it. When my hair is blown out, it would trick you. You can't even see through it right now, right? Wait until I straighten it. And that's what's next. You know, to be honest, I think I did a pretty good job when I was cutting my hair because look, it looks even. But I can say that I know that some parts are longer. But yeah, this is the look from when I cut it. It wasn't even moving, was it? Smells good. I hope it comes through. I hope it does. Let's look at my ends. This is what my ends look like right now.
It's a perfect answer.
Is it gonna be a yes for you?
I really hope it works. I have, good gracious. I have my hot comb for them roots, okay? And then I have my flat iron that I took from Infinity Pro. Took from someone in Virginia, my folks. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm really hoping to actually touch my roots. So let's finish up the rest and do the chase method. Is it given silk? Is it given what it's supposed to give? I don't know. All right, so far, this is what I have done. Okay, let's put it to the back. I'm still trying to give it a go. I turned up the heat on the flat iron, but it just feels like I need more in my hair to make it heavier. It just feels too light. It's given that it needs more moisture, like it needs something heavier to hold it down, right? I'm not tripping. This is just so annoying. It just feels like it's a regular blowout that's happened. But again, the cut that I did on myself, it still looks fine. I feel like I need to cut more of the hair though. But this is not what I was going for. You see my hair looks full right now, right? But all I have is this left and it's gonna turn out like this. I'm very annoyed because I really wanted that silk. Unless I like slap some oil on it to make it heavy, this is really what I got. Well, this is what we got. What I think I'm gonna do is shit, it's already 6:20. I was really trying to be, I wasn't trying to rush it. So this is my silk press. It's not even funny. I'm so upset. I'm so upset. I am. Okay, I'm not upset because I'll go out with my hair just like this. It's full. If it was silky for real, it would look like I had 10 strands of hair. So let me show you from the back. Maybe it's because it needs to cut. I don't know. Maybe it needs to be cut or something. Let me see if it's moving better now. Obviously all of it's not even because of how I cut it. So I'm gonna keep looking stuff up. Okay, I'm gonna keep looking stuff up to see how I can get it to be shinier, a little bit more like down. I need it down some more. So don't know if I'm gonna slap a whole bunch of grease in there and then come back and show you guys, but I'm gonna look it up. I am. I still feel like I can cut some. I feel like I could cut some more. I don't know. It looks like split ends to me. They're still a little uneven, so I can sharpen that up too. But yeah, for now, this is what I got. I'm gonna really look up what was the problem, because why is it not flat? I blew it out to perfection. I feel like I washed it, made sure my scalp was clean, and this is still what I ended up with. So please, just in case I don't come back, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, come over to Everything Tish. If you know why my hair is still this big after seeing what I tried, please put it in the comment section and let me know. What am I doing and what am I not doing? Because I'd like to be able to do a silk press by myself. It's never been able to be successful, so yeah. So that's it. That's all I got for y'all.